clown tutorial. Now this isn't your regular clown makeup. This is Halloween inspired clown makeup. I've got a little pumpkin on my nose and some spiders coming off of the points, a jack-o'-lantern smile, and obviously the color combination of orange and black. So anyway, if you want to see how to create this look, keep watching and enjoy! I'm starting off with already primed eyes and Sugarpill's Flamepoint in the inner corner. I'm doing this top and bottom and bringing it to about the middle of the lid and blending it up above the crease. To brighten this orange up, I'm adding a little yellow over top. This is Buttercupcake from Sugarpill. I'm just adding this to the very inner corner and blending it over. To help the blending of the black, I'm adding highlighter to the brow first. This makes the primer less sticky so you get a smoother blend. I'm using Sephora's brand highlighter in Stardust. With Sugarpill's Bulletproof, I'm adding it to the outer corner of the eye, top and bottom, and blending it up above the crease, mixing it with that highlighter a bit. To help blend in with the orange, you can add a bit of that orange over top of the black in the middle. With a mixture of yellow and orange, I'm adding it under the eye and blending it outwards onto the cheeks. I wanted the color to be different from what's on the lid, but at first I added a bit too much yellow. Here I'm just attempting to mark off where I'm going to be putting those classic clown points under and above the eye. I'm just using an eyeliner pen for this. Once everything is marked off, you can start to shape the points. Start off small. Just like wing liner, you're going to have to make it bigger to match the other points. After you finish the points, wing out your liner, and don't be shy to make a huge wing. For the lips, I'm sketching out the outline of the points on the lips as well as the zigzag smile. I do add an extra point by the lips afterwards to even it out a bit more. Once you're happy with the placement of the zigzags, you can fill it in. Don't fill in the middle of the lips because we'll add orange there, unless you want a solid black lip instead. Fill in the lips with red. I'm using Clinique's Mightiest Maraschino. If you have orange lipstick, you can use that instead. With Flamepoint, I'm tapping it onto the lips. Thanks, lighting change! But then I'm adding Buttercupcake to help it go a bit more orange and give it a little bit of an ombre look. With Bulletproof, I'm softening the black edges as well as adding to that gradient. Here's where I add those 2 points coming off the corner of the lips. For the pumpkin on the nose, I'm using Kryolan's UV Aqua palette. You don't need to use a UV paint, that's just what I conveniently had. With Flamepoint and a hint of Bulletproof, I added some shading around the pumpkin as well as little lines down it. I added a little stem in black, but then I filled it in with liner, and then outlined the whole pumpkin. At the ends of the points on the bottom, I'm adding little spiders with eyeliner pen. This is just circles with legs. With that same UV orange, I'm adding some messy stripes down the neck. You can make them neat and perfect if you want, but I like the grungy feel of this. Do the same with the black. I'm using Mehron here. Just watch that your black doesn't drip like mine. That is a look of pure terror when I saw that drip. Thankfully, it didn't screw up too badly. With that same black, I'm going along the jawline to give it a sharp line. Now I'm going to make it look all grungy. I'm using Flamepoint to deepen that orange in spots, but then I just ended up using Bulletproof to darken it a lot more. You can make this as dirty looking as you want. I'm lining my eyes with Basketcase eyeliner from Kat Von D. I only bought this because I like Green Day. Well, it's glitter time. Over the orange, I'm using Lit Cosmetics California Soul and covering the inner corner on the lid. Then, I'm dusting it lightly on the black to help it blend in. On the black of the points, I'm using Lit Cosmetics Superfly. Actually, I lied. I used a full black glare, but it didn't show up well enough for me, so I then used Superfly. I then liked it so much I used it on the wing liner as well. Back with California Soul, I'm covering the pumpkin as well as lightly in the middle of the lips too. Finally, to top it off, I'm adding mascara and false lashes. And that's it. You're done.
I'm back. Boom.